I stand to oppose this RBD bill. In a democracy, the government must be transparent, but the citizen lives must be protected. But this government believes in the opposite. When we ask for data on poverty or deaths in COVID, the government says no data available. But the government feels it is entitled to collect all our personal and private data and use it for its own end. So there is a phrase in English called peeping Tom. In Hindustani phrase, it should be called Jhanku uncle, which the government indulging in. So the proposed section 3, subsection 3A violates the fundamental rights to privacy guaranteed by the Constitution and as recognized by the Supreme Court in Puttaswamy judgment, sir. Sir, information collected under RPI Act, Aadhaar Act, National Food Security, Passport Act, Motor Vehicle Amendment Act is all collected for that purpose alone. Interlinking and centralizing such diverse databases violates the principle of purpose limitation, which is at the heart of the right to privacy. Sir, the test laid down in Puttaswamy requires that there must be a statute for any state action that infringes on the right to privacy. NPR, no statute exists. Citizenship Act 1955 has no reference to any population registration. This is backdoor NRC, sir, and it is completely unconstitutional. The government must first tell us when is the census going to happen. Linking of the proposed national database under RBD Act with electoral rolls is fraught with constitutional impropriety. And there is likelihood of such data being used for targeted disenfranchisement, voter suppression, and some electoral consultant, whether it's Association of Billion Brains or Foundation of Billion Brains, can create a database that provides granular data on voters, their caste and religion. Sir, under RP Act, ERO has a statutory duty to conduct enrollment after assessing evidence. Linking this to applicant is violation of Article 324 and the RP Act. In Supreme Court judgment of Lal Babu Sen, Supreme Court held ERO responsible for deleting and adding the names. Sir, last year Puttaswamy judgment laid down threefold tests: legality, necessity and proportionality. These amendments does not meet this threefold test. Centralized databases enable the creation of mass surveillance infrastructure that may be used for profiling, targeting and discriminating against citizens. Sir, amendment to section 17 is blatantly anti-poll as it extends to any person whose birth was not registered or incorrectly registered. 38% of children under age of 5 do not have birth certificates. 62.3% age of 5 have their birth registered and possess a birth certificate in 2015-16. Sir, National Family Health Survey 4 says only 56.4% of people in rural areas have registered births and possess birth certificates. Whereas 82% of people under age of 5 group had these birth registered and possess birth certificate. In the light of
हाउस को आपने व्यवस्थित चलने दिया, फिर क्यों आप हंगामा कर रहे हैं?
Unacceptable to allow for such group
दो व्यक्ति और सीट
conclusive humanitarian.
विश्वासकर्ता पर बहस होगी।
Why is the election commission
अभी बिल पास हो रहा है, उसमें सहयोग कीजिए।
doing it?
आप पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए चर्चा में।
There will be large-scale surveillance. The government can target and delete genuine voters, creating an exclusive criteria for a 2026 delimitation. Sir, I am thankful that they have come to me to show themselves. I am very thankful, sir. Sir, that is why I oppose this act and I hope the government will send it to the concerned standing committee.